Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to my another video where I am to improve your listening skills amazingly through story. It means in today's video, I am to share interesting and amazing story to you guys. If you are listening, however, you are you are unable to get a single word of English, doesn't matter. Because this story is going to be understood by you all. Because this is very simple. And you are not just going to improve your listening skills by listening this story, but also you will have lot of knowledge, okay? So, let me tell you the title of this story first, okay? So, this story is of one king and three ministers. What? One king and three ministers. This story depends on one king and three ministers. So let's explain me this whole. So once upon the time, the king called and ordered his three ministers. In the reality, king just wanted to check their loyalty, honesty, and are they really good with their work or not. He just wanted to take exam of those three ministers, so that's why he ordered them and called them and also gave them a one bag, empty bag, and then he said to them to go to royal gardens and fill these bags with different kind of and good fruits, okay? And after that he also said to them that I want to see how well and quickly you are completing this task, okay? So in this way, after getting the order of king, those three ministers went on their way. Okay. Now first minister, while going, first minister was thinking that king might check fruits. So that's why I should pick only freshest and best fruits. And he did that. He started looking for amazing fruits from different trees. And after that, he filled his bag with amazing, fresh, best and good fruits. Now, second minister. While going, second minister was thinking that king is not going to eat my fruits. He just will check. So that's why he, thought that I will, fill my bag with those kind of fruits, whatever I will have. I mean, a ripe, unripe, rotten bed. So that kind of, with this kind of fruits, he filled his bag. Now third minister. While going, third minister thought that neither king is going to check nor he is going to eat fruits. So that's why he filled his bag with useless things. Useless means leaves, grows. He filled his bag with leaves and grows. And after that, when they returned to the king suddenly said he ordered his servants to lock them into different cells. Those three ministers shocked. They were thinking, what's happening to her? Neither king is talking to us, nor he is asking that what kind of fruits you have bought. मतलब यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है कि जैसे ही वो बादशाह के पास आए तो बादशाह ने अपने सर्वेंट्स को ऑर्डर किया कि इन तीनों को जेल में डालो, लॉकअप में बंद कर दो। वो परेशान हो गए। उन्होंने सोचा ये क्या हो रहा है? What's happening to us? They suddenly realized that something is wrong. कहते हैं ना दाल में कुछ तो काला है. So they suddenly thought something is wrong. And after that, servants really locked up them into different cells. Now here real thing is going to happen to them. First with bags. बादशाह ने उनको कहा अपने सर्वेंट्स को कि इनको जो है ना जेल में डाल दो, किसके साथ? बैग्स के साथ, जो फ्रूट्स उन्होंने कलेक्ट किए थे उस बैग्स में. सो हिज ऑर्डर वाज डन बाय सर्वेंट्स. उनको जेल में डाला गया. फर्स्ट मिनिस्टर हु कलेक्टेड filled his bag with great fruits, amazing fruits, he ate them and stayed healthy. लॉकअप में 1 मंथ के लिए उनको डाला गया. जो पहला मिनिस्टर था जिसने अपने बैग में जो है ना गुड फ्रूट्स फिल किए थे अपने बैग में, तो उसने खाए. सेकंड मिनिस्टर हु फिल्ड हिज बैग विद राइप, अनराइप एंड रोटन फ्रूट्स, ही सफर्ड, ही गॉट इल, बीमार हो गया क्योंकि वो फ्रूट्स ख़राब थे. आफ्टर दैट थर्ड मिनिस्टर हु कलेक्टेड ग्रोस एंड लीव, हु कलेक्टेड व्हाट? ग्रोस एंड लीव, he died of hunger. मतलब ये भूखा ही मर गया. it is, nowadays, in these days, world is one kind of garden for us. And this is a chance to fill bags with deeds and good actions. What we are doing, we are just wasting our time, nothing else. So this is one of the best opportunity that God has given us, and we are like in that garden, and we should collect that kind of good fruits. Good actions. We should serve humanity. We should improve ourselves. But instead of that, nothing is being done by us in that way. So this was today's story that I told you all. Now it's your time. The story that you ever have heard and got in your life, you can comment that. Doesn't matter that is in Sindhi, Urdu, there's no concept of language over there. You can comment any story. I want to see that, as I told you all, okay? And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, okay?